Alright, so I'm coming in today. I just took the two rings out, and I'm going to start sending some of this stuff in to a guy in Michigan, and I'm going to be having these parts chrome. He said if I ship them to him, he'll chrome them and ship them back. The bumpers and everything, I'm going to run my bumpers out when I get ready to do that. But today, this is the 70 Wildcat Convertible, and this is the real reason I started my channel, guys, is because I wanted to capture this build, because they only made 1,200 of these cars, and I really, the car needs some work, but I'm really gonna go through this car one way or the other, regardless of how I decide to do it. But my guy Bob's gonna come over and help me get this running. I got a carb rebuilt that I rebuilt already, so I'm gonna try to hook that up before he get here. I'll spray this off with the air hose and get all of this stuff off of here. But I'm just gonna come in. So this is the 70 Wildcat Convertible build, guys. So I'll probably be posting up a lot of videos on this, because I'm gonna be going through this car and taking all these brackets off, getting them sandblasted, getting them painted, just going through all of this. Like, this is bent, I'm just gonna really be going through. This is plastic. I wonder if that's original. That's a plastic cover. But I'm gonna be going through this car pretty much. I wonder if somebody remember that battery. I don't think it's no good these days, but wonder if somebody that watch my channel every now and then, if he remember that battery. I think he on a Riviera. But anyway, so guys, this is what I'm working on today. I'm coming in with the 70 Wildcat, and whether you could tell or not, I'm filming so I can see where a lot of this stuff go. And look at that, those bushes are completely gone. So I'm gonna be going through this. I'm gonna pull this one off the frame. I'm gonna go through this car. Man, I'm gonna go through this car. Let's just put it that way. Alright, guys, so I'm coming here today and I'm getting ready to get started. There's a lot more videos to come of this one, guys. Alright.